Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If Adobe Acrobat keeps showing share your PDFs using WhatsApp pop-up every time you open the application, this video will show you how to stop it. Let's get started. First, close all open PDF documents. Make sure Adobe Acrobat is completely closed before continuing. On your desktop, locate the Adobe Acrobat shortcut. Right-click on it. If you are using Windows 11, you may need to click Show More option first. Then select Properties. In the Properties window, click the Compatibility tab. Under Compatibility Mode, if run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, uncheck it. Click OK to save changes. Now open Adobe Acrobat again. Open any PDF file and then Preferences. Select General from the left panel. Find the option Show Me Messages when I launch Adobe Acrobat. Uncheck this option. Click OK to save changes. Now close Adobe Acrobat. Open it again with any PDF. The share your PDFs using WhatsApp pop-up should no longer appear. Video helpful? Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.